to create a scatter plot, we do need to tell what is on the X and what is on the Y. So we are going to create a scatter plot of mental health provider rate. Okay, I cannot do this now because the suicide deaths was brought in from the other data set. So we will pick a different quantity here. So it's not going to align with the tutorial, but we will pick another quantity. So let's, if you have that graph, it's best to get rid of it so that your memory doesn't glitch. So let's, what shall we plot? Let's see. I was plotting earlier mental health provider rate. Let's say I wanted to plot the mental health provider rate against the physical health provider rate. So let's see, mental health provider rate. And you can see that the way it is showing, it is treating it as a categorical variable. So you can make it into a numeric variable by clicking on the variable name and going all the way down. You have treat as numeric. So then I know currently it's categorical. I can make it treat it as numeric, and it will now not look like what it did earlier. So here, let's plot the physical health provider rate. I think it was called primary care physician's rate. That's what it was called. Let's plot primary care physician's rate. And again, this is treated as a categorical. So let's change it to a numeric. Because for a scatter plot, we want a numeric quantities on the X and the Y, not categorical. Again, you can see that each dot corresponds to a point in the data set. So if I select that dot, it will take me to exactly which data point it refers to. So that refers to Pennsylvania, that particular county. Okay. And where else? Okay, there we go. Okay. What else were we doing there? Treating it as numeric. Okay. So now, so remember each point here corresponds to a data point in this. If I want this categorized by, say, the premature mortality level, I can drag that variable and release it in this plot area. When I do that, it will color the points according to that. So you can see the orange is low, the gray is medium, and the yellow is high. Purple is the unknown. And clearly there was only one high and very few medium. You can see one gray here. You can see one gray here, etc. So earlier on, I had this planned for the suicide death, so it matched with that. But you can separate out the categories within the scatter plot based on a third attribute.